Class, our today's new topic is exercise 5.6 and the first question is 566 centimeter equal to how many meters? For that you have to find the relationship between centimeter and meter. So you all know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Now class, if 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter, then 566 centimeter equal to 566 upon 100 meter. And now you can divide 566 by 100 and you can find meter. So this is your answer. Now second question is 315 gram equal to how many kilograms? So now in this time class we have to relate gram and kilogram. So we all know 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram and 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. This is a relationship between gram and kilogram. So now we want to calculate 315 gram. So 315 gram means class 315 upon 1000 kilogram. By solving this you can find the answer 0.315 kilogram. Next question is 612 milligram equal to how many gram? So now what is the relationship between milligram and gram? That is 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram and 1 milligram equal to 1 upon 1000 gram. So 612 milligram equal to 612 upon 1000 gram. So by solving this you can find 0.612 gram. So this is your answer, 0.612 gram. Now class, next question is relationship between milliliter and liter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 1 milliliter equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. And if I am taking 6281 milliliter, the meaning is 6281 upon 1000 liter. And by solving this you can find the answer 6.281 liter. Class, question number F is 8613 milliliter. First you convert that into liter and then you have to convert that in kiloliter. So first we convert milliliter into liter. You all know the relationship between liter and milliliter. So 1 milliliter equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. So 8613 milliliter equal to 8613 upon 1000 liter. So solve this class. By solving this you can find the answer 8.613 liter. So this is your answer, 8.613 liter. And now you have to convert this into kiloliter. So our question is now 8.613 liter. Convert this into kiloliter. So you all know 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter and 1 liter equal to 1 upon 1000 kiloliter. So 8.613 liter equal to 8.613 upon 1000 kiloliter. In class, to remove decimal place from here we have to multiply numerator by 1000 and in denominator also you have to multiply this by 1000. So our number is 8613 upon 10 lakh kiloliter. So if we divide this 8613 by 10 lakh and by solving this class you can find 1 2 3 4 numbers are here. So 1 2 3 4 numbers are here, 0.8613 kiloliter. So class, this is your answer, 0.008613. Now next question is 8 kilometer and 4 meter, convert this in kilometer. The meaning of this question is 8 kilometer plus 4 meter. So convert this into kilometer also. So what is the relationship? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So 4 meter equal to class, we have to convert this into kilometer, 4 upon 1000 kilometer. So 4 upon 1000 means 0.004 kilometer. So class, now in the place of 4 meter we can put the value of 0.004 kilometer. So answer is 8 kilometer plus 0.004 kilometer. So answer is 8.004 kilometer. Next is 5 kilogram 300 gram convert into kilogram. So this is your kilogram class, 5 kilograms, so no need to change this. Convert this 300 gram into kilogram. For that you all know the relationship between gram and kilogram. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams, so 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 kilograms. So 300 gram equal to 300 upon 1000 kilogram, and 300 upon 1000 kilogram means class 3 upon 10, 0.3 kilogram. So add 5 kilogram and 0.3 kilogram now. So the meaning is 5 kilogram plus 0.3 kilogram, the meaning is 5.3 kilogram. So this is your answer, 5.3 kilogram.